Well, for this morning, I was honored to give a keynote. And what I was talking about is the importance of touch in child counseling and play therapy. But what we were focusing on is all the myriad of different instances when touch can arise within sessions. And what I was focusing on is how we respond to those touch instances really depends on looking at all the different mediating factors that impact that touch that happened, and that we have to base our response upon that. Well, I developed a program called FirstPlay Therapy, and in that program I've created it for two different developmental stages, and one is for infants, 0 to birth to 2 years old, and then for the older children, the kinesthetic storytelling is for ages 2 and beyond and above. And the first play for the infants I call FirstPlay Infant Story Massage. We do believe that children have to develop a sense of a bodily self, and that in most situations happens naturally when a child is born into a home where they're provided with those really wonderful, good, nurturing touch experiences. And sometimes along the way, if children did not receive those early good nurturing experiences, then that's where sometimes therapists can step in and can help intervene with the child. But it's absolutely essential. It's just as essential, those experiences, as we need to eat and we need to sleep. I think anytime we're talking about the heart and issues surrounding the heart and reaching children at that deeper level of turning inward, anytime we can help the children turn inward, to touch base with a home or an I with inside of them or the parents, then I think that falls, for me, that understanding of it's a more of a spiritual sense to the therapy. It has to have some type of heart foundation to it. Why do I do what I do? Well, I have to say I'm very passionate about it, and I'm very passionate about FirstPlay. And the more I understand about what that means, I'm just fascinated by it. And especially culturally, if I could have a grant, I would go all around the world looking at how different cultures engage their children through those early developmental FirstPlay activities. I'm just fascinated about how they do it and what they do and the songs they sing, and that's my passion.